So now we're starting with a word problem in section 8.6. Here we see that distance is equal to speed times time. In this problem, a girl can ride a bike 50 miles during the same time it takes her to walk 14 miles. She can ride 9 miles per hour faster than she can walk. How fast can she walk? In the table below, we set up what the problem is actually asking for. We have process, which is bike and walk, distance, 50 miles and 14 miles. The speed is x and x minus 9. The time is t, and we come up with two separate equations. The first equation is 50 is equal to xt. That's based on the bike information. And then under the walk equation, we have 14 is equal to x minus 9 times t. And now we'll use the first equation and we'll solve for t and substitute that into the second equation. So in this case, we have 50 is equal to xt. Solving for t, we see we get 50 over x. Now we're going to use that information in the second equation. So we have 14 is equal to x minus 9 times 50 over x. So to solve for x, we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by x first. We get 14x is equal to x minus 9 times 50. 14x is equal to 50x minus 450. Now we'll rearrange terms. We'll bring the 450 over as a positive, and we'll subtract 14 from both sides of the equation. So now we get 450 is equal to 36x when we take out the 14. And now x, when we divide 36 into 450, we get 12.5 miles per hour. So that's the speed at which she is traveling at the bike. But now we want to find out how fast she walks. So we take 12.5 and we subtract 9 out of there, and we get 3.5 miles per hour. So that is her walking speed.